We have one of my favorite water environments, just because it's so bizarre, is our bogs and fens. Now, you might, when I say Boston Fenway Park, you probably think baseball. No, 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 no. The baseball park got its name from a park and in Boston, and it was an area that is what we would refer to as a fen. And it's an area where you have saturated soil, and in the case of a fen, the source of the water is from underground. It's groundwater. And so we have this wet soil. Bogs are similar, but not water from groundwater. So bogs and fens, they have saturated soils and they have similar characteristics. One of the characteristics of these areas is they're low nutrient environments, and especially nitrogen. Now, where do you get, what is nitrogen important for? And you may not know this, but if you talk about biological macromolecules, everyone's favorite subject, right? Biological macromolecules, that's the stuff we're made of. We said, oh, you've got your carbohydrates, you've got your lipids, that's your fats, you've got your nucleic acids, that's genetic material, and proteins. Proteins contain nitrogen. And so for you to build protein, you have to have nitrogen, just like a plant. Plants do also. So I said this is one of my favorite environments because it's got really weird creatures, especially plants, living in it. These areas have carnivorous plants. And why are they carnivorous? It's the same reason you and I eat meat, for the protein. High protein. Well, they eat bugs. Bugs have good protein also. So I have a video for you to watch embedded, which is showing Venus flytraps. There's something called pitcher plants. There's something called a sundew also. And they all have adapted to get their nitrogen by eating bugs. Interesting.